How to log in to Ceridian Payroll. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. To begin with, you have to open up a browser that you prefer in your device. In the search bar, search for Ceridian Payroll. Tap on the first suggestion, that is Ceridian HR Payroll Login. Ceridian offers a combined HR and payroll solution, typically referred to as Ceridian Dayforce. In order to log in into your account, all you have to do is enter your client ID. That can be anything that is given by the company to you. Enter your username and your password. Make sure that you enter your correct credential, then tap on Continue. If you forgot your username, select Forgot your username. Enter your client and your email address and select Submit. Once you do this, you'll be able to retrieve your username. Similarly for password, enter your username and your email address. It will provide you with a retrieve link on your email address through which you'll be able to recover or create a new password. By that way, you'll be easily able to log in into your Ceridian HR payroll account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try. We hope that you found this video helpful and informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.